Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May the 12th, and we are going to be doing our math today. But before we get into math, let's go back and revisit the story that we read yesterday. There are 4 questions for you to answer today after reading that story. If you didn't get a chance, go to YouTube and check out the video and listen to the story being read. In your packet this week, you have some math sprints to complete. Try your best and remember, just get someone to help you, whoever you have at home, that can help you with these sprints. For math in lesson 6.6, we're going to be discussing the tens and ones. There are a few pages for you to complete in regards to making tens and ones. You can see here is one example of one of the worksheets in your packet. So let's listen to a video that Miss Ramsey posted on how to complete your tens and ones.
Good morning, boys and girls. I wanted to help you out with your math this morning. I wanted to remind you that when we see a long, it equals 10. When we see a circle or a square, it equals 1. Today's help are going to help you out with the pages from 6.6 and 6.7. Remember, before we left, we were at the end of chapter 7. So this should all be reviewed for you. But if you need any help or reminders, this video will help you out. So this problem is from page 6.6, number 1. So they want us to count the tens and the ones. And all we have to do is count how many are there. So we count 1, 2, 3, which we also known as 10, 20, 30. But for this problem, they only want us to write how many tens are there. So we're going to write 3. Now here, we count these by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many are in number 1? That's right, 35. Later in the chapter, you will see that we do it this way that we're used to. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Very good. Now another problem that I thought would be helpful is our hot question. The problem states that the student was supposed to write the number as 32, but accidentally wrote it as 23. So I want you to take a minute to see if you can figure out their mistake. They did 23 and they were supposed to do 32. So let's take a look at the number 32 and put TO above it. How many tens? Aha, 3. So they were supposed to draw 3. They did the numbers reverse. So how many ones were they supposed to have? Only 2. So the number 32 looks like this. 3 and 2. I hope that helped you with numbers 1 and 9 on your packet. The next problem that I wanted to emphasize and help you out with is the problem solving, found on page 268. It says Amy has 79 pennies, and they want you to draw out the number and tell them how many tens and how many ones. So let's put the TO above 79. So now I know I need to draw how many tens? 7. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So there's 7 tens. And now I have to draw 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 79. And there you go. These problems that I've modeled today will help you out for pages 6.6 and 6.7.